In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Microsoft Authenticator backup. If you've moved to a new phone or had to reset your device, restoring your Microsoft Authenticator backup is straightforward as long as you previously turned on backup and you sign in with the same Microsoft account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and a few minutes without interruptions. Start by installing the Microsoft Authenticator app on your new phone. On Android, get it from the Google Play Store, and on iPhone, download it from the App Store. Confirm it's the official app from Microsoft and let it finish installing and updating before you continue. Open the app. On the welcome screen, look for the option that says Restore from Backup or Begin Recovery. Tap that to start. If you don't see the Restore option, don't add any accounts yet. Simply close the app, uninstall it, reinstall, and open it again to trigger the recovery prompt. Next, sign in with the same Microsoft account you used when you originally enabled backup. For many people, that's an Outlook or Hotmail account. For others, it might be a work or school account. After you sign in, the app searches the cloud for your saved, encrypted backup that's tied to that account. Give it a moment to locate and prepare the data. Once found, the app downloads your backup and begins restoring your saved accounts automatically. You'll see your Microsoft accounts come back, along with any time-based one-time password entries like Google or Facebook. Work or school accounts will appear too, though some of those may need you to sign in again as part of your organization's security policies. Keep the app open and connected to the internet until the restore completes. After the restore, go through and re-verify accounts as prompted. Some services will ask you to log in again, approve a sign-in notification, or enter your password. This step ensures your restored entries are fully active on the new phone. It's a good idea to test a few important logins right away so you know everything is working. A few important notes to keep in mind. Backup must have been turned on before you lost access to the old phone. The app can't recreate a backup after the fact. You must use the same Microsoft account you used when enabling backup, or the app won't find your data. And if a backup was overwritten or is missing, older versions are usually not recoverable. That's it. Your Microsoft Authenticator accounts should now be restored and ready to use.